Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to merge cells. So as example, we will create tables. You can use this basic border. I will use the all borders. And if you want to merge cells, like I will select up these two cells, you can go to alignments in Home and then you can click merge and center. So it will be merged between two cells. I will select again, slide into these cells. You can click again to merge the cells. If you want to unmerge, you can select and then go to drop-down menu in merge and cells. Click on merge cells. And you can create again for the border. I will merge again at these cells. You can go to merge center to merge cells. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to merge cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.